Hello, I'm Alan Pitchfield. This is my machine, the Alligator HD260LR. LR meaning that the machine will mitre left as well as right. We have an adequate vise here with guidance right the way across the back of the machine. The vise obviously is adjustable this way, but we have a quick lock handle as well. The controls are very simple as well. On-off buttons here, 2-speed switch here, slow speed, which is number 1, is for stainless steel and taut steel. The fast speed, all the softer materials like mild steel, aluminium, etc. The down feed is controlled here, as fast as you like, depending on the material you're cutting, and an emergency stop button here. Okay, we have a 1.9 horsepower motor, which is more than adequate for a machine this size. The gearbox is filled with synthetic oil, sealed for life, shouldn't need any attention. Hydraulic cylinder, heavy duty here with heavy duty hydraulic pipes. Guides are carbide tips. They should last a long time. They're set very close together to give you a very accurate cut. Behind these carbide tips are ball bearings which help roll the blade straight to go through the guides. Over here we have the tensioning mechanism, very simple. Just tension it up here. There are spring bevel washers here. As you do it up, it will go tight as those washers collapse and go flat, and it will be right. The right tension every time you do the blade up. Coolant, very large coolant tank, which you can remove if you need to clean it out every few months. Very large coolant pump, and obviously draining back into the tank through here, and a strainer on the top. 2 coolant taps here for adjusting the coolant. Some materials you might not want any coolant on at all, so you can turn them off. Okay, we've got a 203mm beam in the machine at the moment. I'm going to cut that to demonstrate how well counterbalanced the machine is. This is the counterbalance spring. There's adjustment here. It's all been set up at the factory to give you the benefit of cutting fast but without damaging the blade. You will see the blade cut through the work, fast here, then slow here, then fast again there. That is how it should be. Here we go.